Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy and healthy home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for being with me here once again. And to those who are new here, welcome to my channel and I hope that you learn and enjoy today's recipe. Today I prepare a well-known Filipino dish which is called Pansit Guisado. Write in the comment your name and the country you are watching my video to be able to thank you and greet you on my next video. To begin with, we need 10 grams of rice noodles, cut into a desired size, then soaked in water for minimum 10 minutes. This recipe is made for 2 persons. If you need to serve more, just adjust the ingredients. At the end of the video, I will thank and greet some of the few persons who continue watching my video. Make sure you finish the video, you might be the next person I greet, and thanks. Cut 20 grams of chicken breast into cubes. With these, you can use any meat you like. Some put shrimps, pork meat, and some other parts of chicken. Your feedback help us grow. Write your views in the comment. Add few pieces of shrimps. Clean, remove the skins, and head then set aside. To Oscar of Dubai, Chelsea of UK, and Tobias of Canada, hello and thank you for watching. There are some few people I will greet at the end of the video. So continue watching, you might be in the list today. Chopped or minced 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic is a member of the lily family, along with onions, shallots, and leeks. It is a perennial plant of the amaryllis family, grown for its flavorful bulbs. Sliced half of a medium-sized onion. Also known as bulb onions or common onions, they are grown worldwide and are closely related to chives, garlic, scallions, shallots, and leeks. Commonly used as a flavoring or side dish, onions are a staple food in many cuisines. Slice and chopped spring onion and set aside, just like garlic and onion. Spring onion is one of the favorite ingredients in any kind of recipe. Spring onions are a variety of green onion or scallion, with a stronger flavor that packs a distinctive bite. They can be used in any recipes that call for green onions, ranging from salads to salsas, especially when cooks want an extra kick in their food. 1 stalk of celery cut into cubes. People typically either love the flavor of celery or hate it. A chopped celery stalk is considered a staple in various recipes including stuffing, soups, and stews. Used fresh, it goes well with salads or as an appetizer, especially when dipped in ranch, honey mustard, or another type of salad dressing. Filled with peanut butter or cream cheese, it makes a healthful snack for children, combining vitamins and fiber with protein. Have a slice from a green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Bell pepper comes in a variety of many colors, and the most popular inside is the green and red bell pepper. Every color has its own distinctive taste and vitamins and nutrients. Get a leaf from the cabbage since we don't need a lot. Remove the hard portion, then slice. Cabbage has wide variety from shapes, form, and color. Cabbage is a leafy green, red, purple, or white, pale green biennial plant grown as an annual vegetable crop for its dense-leaved heads. It is one variety of the Brassica oleracea plant, which is related to broccoli, Brussels sprout, cauliflower, and kale. Different types of cabbage are grown for food, and cabbage leaf contains high amounts of vitamin K1, as well as other nutrients. For the flavor we need, a pinch of salt and pepper, to taste 1 teaspoon basil, a pinch of coriander, a pinch of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Make sure it mix well. From the mix ingredients, we get 1.5 teaspoons. Add to the chicken and mix well. This way, the chicken has flavor once we start cooking them. Get 1 teaspoon from the mix ingredients, then mix with the shrimps. In a heated pan with cooking oil, fry the chicken for 2 minutes. Don't overcook the chicken to keep its freshness, tenderness, and juiciness. Don't forget the kitchenware and kitchen utensils in the descriptions. You can always order or avail them anytime. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Put the chicken in one side of the pan, then add the shrimp. Then continue cooking for 1 minute. Then saute the garlic and onion. Just continue on cooking until the aroma from garlic and onion comes out. Shrimpi's one of the most popular seafoods out there. It appears in a variety of dishes, from shrimp scampi to shrimp and grits. And what makes diving into a shrimp dish even more exciting? All the healthy shrimp benefits this seafood can offer. Let's take a look at them. Now add all the vegetables and add the rest flavoring. Mix for 1 minute, then remove from the pan and set aside. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. I hope you can still follow the recipe. Write in the comment your views. Add 1/4 cup of water. Use the cup in mixing the flavor ingredients. Then add the rice noodles. Keep on mixing, then add the pre-cooked vegetables. Don't put all at one time. It much be better to put the vegetables 2 to 3 times while mixing. And by this time, you can already turn off the heat. Pansit Bihon Guisado with rice noodles, meat, shrimp, and vegetables is sure to be a family favorite. Perfect for everyday meals and special occasions. The dish is often served on birthdays as the long noodle strands signify long life in Asian culture. I hope you learn and enjoy today's video. Have a happy, healthy meal.